Well, hi there, Piper. You look like you're right on top of it this morning, huh? Look at those pretty bright eyes. And you look so alert. Yeah, I saw your ears just going up there. You're ready for a good day in the office, aren't you? Well, that's pretty cute if you ask me. It sure is. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about my baby. Yeah, my precious Piper. Aw. All ready to go and put in a good day of work at the office. I just love the way you oversee everything. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You sure look cute. Yes, you do. Oh. Well, hopefully I'm doing my part. I see you looking at me. Yeah. Okay, why don't you look at the rest of the office? See what they're doing. Yeah. People wonder if an office manager stares at them for too long. Yeah, what's going on there? Oh, there. Okay, something else caught her attention. That's good. That's good. Okay. Yeah, she's checking around, making sure everything's in order. Gee, Piper, you do a great job in here. Look how nice and neat everything is. Including you, you looked well groomed and professional as always. Oh, there. See, she kind of takes a relaxed stance, but she's still watching.